I found this love sign at the Dollar Tree, and if you want to see what I do with it to create a cute little DIY, please continue to watch this video. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here, and we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree design here. It's a DIY. Remember this love that I picked up during the Valentine haul? Well, yep, it's ready. It's really thick too. And what you're going to need for this project is whatever color paint you want to do. I'm going to go with silver because that's kind of the outline. I've also got some stones to put on there. Now, instead of using the sprinkle, I do have some glitter glue. But I do have some red glitter as well. And you use the Mod Podge and possibly the E6000 to go with these rhinestones. Alright, so we're going to get started with first getting this painted. Alright, so here's what it looks like. I got it all sprayed up. And even got the yarn on there. So the next thing I think I'm going to do, I'm going to try this again. I usually don't like doing this one. But I'm going to try this glitter glue because it takes forever to dry it. But I'm going to try to utilize it again and see how this works out. I finished the love sign. I went on and used the glitter glue that I had. So it actually worked out better than before. And then I also used some glitter. And then I used some of these little sparkling stones. And of course, during that same haul that I picked up this sign, I had got those red jewels. And I just put them at the end to just kind of bring the red out just a little bit. This is going in my room. And my room has got a lot of silver in it. But I don't know why. I just felt like I needed to do a little red on this love sign. And so that's what I did. Alright, so hopefully you liked my design. Be sure to let me know. Comment below. And take time out and like this video for me. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.